Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we dive into tools that make your work life smarter and more efficient. Today, we're reviewing Smartsheet as a CRM tool. Let's jump right in. Smartsheet isn't your traditional CRM tool, but its versatility makes it a contender. Think of it as a spreadsheet on steroids. You can customize it to track leads, manage customer data, and even automate sales processes. Setting up a CRM in Smartsheet starts with their pre-built templates or designing your own. It's easy to adapt columns for things like customer details, sales stage, and follow-up reminders. The drag and drop functionality is perfect for visualizing your pipeline. One standout feature, automations. You can set up workflows to send alerts, update statuses, or remind your team about important tasks. No manual work required. This keeps everyone aligned and reduces missed opportunities. Collaboration is another strong suit. Your whole team can comment, attach files, and share updates in real time. It's like a project management tool and CRM rolled into one. Of course, flexibility comes at a cost. Smartsheet starts at $7 per user per month, but advanced features like automation and reporting are in their higher tier plans. Pros and cons. So, should you use Smartsheet as your CRM? Here are the quick pros and cons. The pros are highly customizable, automation friendly, great for collaboration, and the cons are not as intuitive as dedicated CRMs, and the pricing can add up. Overall, Smartsheet is a fantastic tool for teams that need flexibility and already love working in spreadsheets. But if you're looking for a plug and play CRM, you might want to explore other options. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.